Mr. 317. Hey, 317, sounding good in Tennessee, my friend. Waving a hand your way. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Oh, don't hit me because I'm ugly.
Alright, 317's rough and tough in there, man. You have a good evening. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. We're listening in.
How about that 010? 212 Central Cal.
Who was that in Southern Cal? Did you say 212? I didn't get your handle there. Somebody key with you. Waving at you, Southern Cal.
Yeah, you got 212. Alright. Stopper 10 poles.
Boy, I think you said 212, didn't you?
Yeah, in there. Hope you have a good day.
Did you say 212? It's rough and tough out there, man, but I got the video gate rolling. 212 Southern Cal, sounding good. 018 Tennessee Beavis with a wave.
Alright there, 018. You got 212 Central Cal on his donkey stomper and his pickup. We'll see ya.
Roger on a donkey stomper and a pickup. Ain't that cool? 212 Central Cal? Appreciate it, man. Appreciate the business. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, donkey stomper with the wave. Low. How about low budget?
Central Cal.
Well, I appreciate the buffalo, man. I'm just glad we got a few conditions rolling. I believe the wind's trying to blow it in and out. Hey, 444, no Cal, 800 Alabama, Georgia State Line, Lincoln, got no.
Well, I can't quite make it to that 800 today. Got 212 Central Cal.
Hey, 212, I got you in there that time, brother. You were at that time. Hey, 212, top of the day, 800 waving.
Yeah, 800, man. You're taking my needle to the right out here in my pickup.
I'm thinking the wind blowing about 30, 40 mile an hour over here. I believe that's what's getting these conditions rolling in your hood. Hey, 212 right here, rolling in here in that mobile. You're doing it in fine style, breaker.
All right, DX man, thank you, 800. Appreciate that. Have yourself a good rest of your day. We'll see you.
That man, 212 in the mobile. 212 in the mobile.
212, you're standing in 733. I heard you all up in there. And I'm going to take a second wing at the Iron Mike, 800 on the state line, looking west, state line.
Yeah, we're down in good in the San Joaquin Valley in Central California. Hey, worldwide 800. Your little brother Iron Mike say 800. You got that thing pointing in my direction, brother? Waving.
You're sounding good there too, Iron Mike. You always sound good. And I hear my friend 542. And a noise. I hear all the big airplanes on the west side. Hey, Iron Mike and 542. 800 on the state line, looking west, goddamn.
Hey, big 73 and a wave going to you, 800. Sounding good as always. Be blessed in the name of Jesus. Iron Mike said that, and I just got down. Bye-bye.
Hey, Iron Mike. Hey, Iron Mike, sounding good in Tennessee, Mr. Iron Mike. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
800 looking into your hood, breaker.
Timmy, Gold 800. I think you found it.
It's getting rough and tough up here in Tennessee, y'all. It's rough and tough up here at Donkey Stomper. We're going to get off here and get back to the workbench. Hope everybody has a good one out there. Appreciate the comebacks. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later on. Bye-bye.
Goddamn.
How about that, Big Al? How about it, Big Al? You got 212 Central